Hey everyone, I'm Ashley of &cosplay, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Skye's Ollie hat from Fortnite. I'll be showing you how to make it with and without a sewing machine, so let's get to it. First, decide which version you would like to make. For this video, I'm going to be making the shadow style hat. The construction stays the same for any version you'd like to make, only the colors will change. I purchased my base hat for $5 on Amazon. I'll be providing any helpful links in the description below, but any hat you can find will work. Also in the description is a link to the pattern I made. We'll be using this to make the details on the hat. Feel free to adjust or scale up or down to your liking or to fit you. We'll need to cut 4 pieces of fabric, 2 for each wing. You can use any cheap cotton fabric. In this case, I'm using an old t-shirt for my fabric. We also need to cut 2 pieces out for the tail. If you have a sewing machine, stitch the 2 pieces together close to the cut edge, leaving an opening towards the back of the wing. You could also hand stitch this. Now we're going to use the opening we left to flip the wing right side out. Before I stuff the wing with filling, I'm using my sewing machine to stitch 2 lines on each wing as indicated on the pattern to define the shape. Now, stuff the pieces. I'm using polyfill, but you can use common household items like tissue paper, paper towel, or even fabric scraps. Pack it quite tightly so that it holds its shape. Once you're happy with the shape, hand sew the opening closed using a slip stitch or ladder stitch. To be honest, I'm not very good with hand sewing, but because the opening is facing the back of the hat, the hand stitching will be pretty concealed. Repeat this process for the tail piece. If you don't have a sewing machine, you can still create the pieces by using a hot glue gun. Take your cut wing pieces and glue them together around the edge, still leaving a gap to turn it right side out. Stuff the pieces and finish gluing the openings together. You can repeat this for the tail pieces. I found the easiest way to attach the pieces to the hat is by using glue. To make sure I get the placement correct, I put the hat on my head and place a dot of glue towards the front of the wing and press and hold it to the hat. A few more spots of glue in a few more places and it's securely attached without using too much glue. Now we can finish it off with Ollie's face. You can create the face by using scrap fabric or felt, painting it on, or embroidering it. I like either painting it or using felt. Because it's hard to see black on black, I'm using felt pieces for this one and gluing them on. And now, we're done! Thanks guys for joining me on my first video. It's definitely a learning experience, so hopefully we'll have some more fun stuff to come.